There's a couple of pretty cool things happening in this video, so if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you what two completely different watch bands look like on the new Ultra, and I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison of a brand new olive green watch band versus one that's developed a patina for about 6 to 8 months. Now, what you're seeing here is an olive green Minerva full-grain Italian leather paired with a really unique stitching color that I don't think I've done before. It's burgundy on olive green, which I personally wouldn't have picked, but now that I've seen it, I think it looks really good. The other one's walnut Minerva with a dark brown stitching, so it's a little bit more of a monotone color with, or a monotone theme with a darker stitching color, which looks really professional. Just, you know, a really nice kind of business casual looking kind of band. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's a really good winner. It's just something everyone I think can get on board with. The olive green one, however, is a little bit of, you know, kind of an outstander or an outcast. I think it's something that not many people would have picked, but I think looks really good once you see it, at least in person, and I hope that translates on camera. It almost has like a Christmas theme to it since we're just passing the holiday. So what you're seeing me do is just wrap up kind of the finishing touches of the process. The band's already made and stitched. You saw me sand off the laser char earlier and get everything nice and flush for the edges, preparing it for this step really, which is Tokonole and a canvas cloth to burnish it, and that gives it a nice finished edge. I also beveled the edges, and here you go. So you have the walnut on the left, the olive green on the right. I don't think you needed me to point that out there, but I think the burgundy looks really good on the olive green, and you're going to see in a couple of minutes, or really just 1 minute, what it looks like next to a band that's patinaed for 6 to 8 months with a forest green stitching. Now this is my personal Ultra band. I like to connect some of these watches to just to get an idea of what they would look like. I think it looks really, really good. I'd love to hear it in the comments what you think of this color combination. And like I said, I think everybody can get on board with the walnut and dark brown color that you see here. It's kind of just a winner for everybody. It's a pretty standard band color, and that'll get darker over time. If you want to see the walnut compared to a patinaed walnut band, let me know. So there you see it. That's my personal band on the left, the brand new one I just made on the right. Let me know what you think of the patina, and I hope you stick around for more.